You ever find yourself knocking a pile of tools on the floor as you go to grab your chuck wrench? Hey there, Daniel Hartman, Community Machinery, Seinfeld, New Brunswick, with another shop improvement update. Here we got a tool holder for our lathe. Love this machine. It's a TOS SN50B, made in Czechoslovakia, super rigid, and we're always using this. So we got all our tools in the same orientation as they get used. Whereas this, lift it up, bam, it's in the chuck, out of the chuck. Now we got three because this one here for the 6-pin cam lock, boom, that's for there. Other thing, love, is we got this wrench in the orientation that gets used. So it's flat, and then we keep this side in, which then it loosens here. So if you're not familiar, it took me a long time before I knew about carriage stops. So basically, wherever you have a step on a shaft, or if you got a stop in the headstock and you're facing all parts to the same length, boom, you just move this stop down, you crank it with the wrench, and actually you want to wipe off your ways first. You want to keep your ways clean. So you crank that down, it hits this little stop here. This is just, you keep that clean as well, so you're always gonna hit the same spot. And this carriage has a clutch in that bumps off when it has a certain amount of torque moving the carriage down. It just goes boom, and that's the end of the feed. So great thing to know when you get into doing production work on a manual engine lathe. So wrench index is in there flat. Actually, it's still gonna use a little refinement, this thing. Which brings a point, if there's something worth doing, it's worth doing to the point of getting it done so it'll work. So this is just some quick and dirty plywood. If we really like this design, maybe we'll get someone to do something that's a lot more beautiful, because it's also nice to have things that are beautiful. We've got our files here. That's the other thing that gets used on a lathe. So you can see they're angled to avoid the control panel, but also be an easier reach, because a lot of times they were way over here. So this is a bit higher, which don't necessarily love, especially if there's someone using the machine that's a little bit shorter. I don't know how it's going to work out. So we got this version to try out. And the other thing I really love, which I don't know if I've ever shown in a shop improvement video, is this tool holder. These are all number 5 Morse taper. Got boring bars in the back, and left-hand tools, right-hand tools are all sorted out. The thing we really want to do, actually the other thing I really love that's been handy, this center drill holder. I made this years ago. Actually got a drawing for that somewhere. It'd be nice to put a link to a drawing. It'd be nice to do that on the website. Someday that'll happen. The other thing I think that could be improved, we got this little container here of all the Torx bits and hex keys for changing out inserts. So sometime we'll do something more like this here, where all the common tools are standing up. This one's for the milling machine. Having a long lathe bed, it's not the best thing to use for storage, but sometimes it happens as far as it's the best space available. Oh, other shop improvement. We got this beautiful blowgun today from the Parker Hydraulics store. This thing, it's made in Germany. I think that's how you say this. Yeah, anyhow, it's made, I think it's in the European Union. Yeah, so, joke wasn't really funny, but it's made in Germany. Beautiful piece of engineering. Good things are made in Germany. Anyhow, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for commenting below. And there's going to be more shop improvements all the time now, since we made a major shop improvement in getting a shop internet connection, which is still not the most stable, but way better than having to go off-site to upload videos. So stay tuned, and all the best, keeping your shop innovated. Share the challenges you have below, and we'll make a video if we can. Thanks so much.